When the whole matter against me is concluded, history will certainly absolve some of us, and at that point I will be able to express myself to the public. I have by all means avoided the obvious temptation to speak about the merits and demerits of the ongoing case, because I'm sure you know by now that the indictment is voluminous, and the lawyers are actually looking at that, and we are studying everything. This is all because I respect our courts, and I always take counsel from my competent legal team. If it was me, I will just talk, but from time to time, legal practitioners have to advise us. I will not comment further about the charges preferred against me, except to say, I think the story which was pumped in the morning was that there are new charges added. There are no charges added, as the spokesperson of NPA was saying. I will not comment further about the charges preferred against me. My legal team is going to ventilate on all those issues. Suffice to say that the criminal justice system in our country must be of the highest repute and deal with corruption in an absolute, fair, and even-handed manner. That's our call, that's our plea. Any hint of selective morality to the application of the rule of law and justice or abuse of the legal system and our judiciary must indeed be avoided at all and every cost. All peace-loving South Africans must all time stand on the right side of the law, and when so accused of any wrongdoing, be accorded a fair and just hearing. We should not be judged in the public opinion by the public or by the media. The courts must legitimately act to protect, uphold, and preserve the rights of everyone, regardless of their station and position in society. Justice must at all times be seen to be done. It is also in this context that we may never undermine the constitutional tenets that every citizen has a right to be deemed innocent until proven guilty by a properly constituted, competent court of law. This right is not negotiable, and it may never be compromised, and it is indeed enshrined in our Constitution, in the Bill of Rights. That's what we have struggled for during the years of struggle against apartheid colonialism. Let me not talk about allegations because fortunately we'll be in a court of law. I have said I am innocent until proven otherwise. I am speaking with confidence just that during my term there is nothing untoward. There was no wrongdoing. There was no corruption during my term. It's for the court of law to judge otherwise. And therefore, I don't want to get into the space of whether tenders ring-fenced or not, because there's no such a thing completely. There's no any person a link between me and whatever accused, and that's why I'm sure people have been charged. And let's wait and prove in court our innocence. And it is not true. You know, Free State is my home. And I've said to you, I can go to any part of the Free State, any community, be it Mafura or anywhere. And maybe one day we must walk in this province and go to each and every town, which I know each and every town. I know streets in these towns. I know people. I know what we have done as government during our term as a collective. And therefore, it might not be true, but in South Africa, we also have our rights. We have freedom of movement, of association, freedom to choose, freedom not to do this and that. Those are the basic rights we have actually fought for.